just got a package from Fashionangels. I'm super duper excited to open it. So let's do this. Whoa! Okay, we'll put that aside for a second. Look how cute this is. The back, it's rainbow. Look at this, it's adorable. It's clear and it's sparkly, and then it has pinks. The pink that's sparkly, and it has the cutest background ever. It says fun on it. You know this clear stuff is really in fashion right now. It's amazing. Now let's look in the box to find stuff to put in here. There. Guys, this is so cool. Wait, so the inside right there is like gummy. I would keep it fuzzy, so like if you want to take a nap in class, you can go, because it's so soft. But then when you want to have fun in class, you're like, oh! It feels so nice. Super cool. Like, I can't brush your hair. This feels so good. Okay, there's this. It's called Go Shop. Oh, it's a card game. It's like Go Fish, but it's like Go Shop. Girl, you gotta go shop. It says match outfits. Oh, so you get to match outfits. That's so cool. And here's the back of what it looks like. So we can keep that here. Whoa! Guys, look at this. You can shake it and it jiggles. It's super stretchy. It's so fuzzy. You can like, it's super soft and gummy and stretchy. And it feels cool. It's like this, but like thinner. It's weird. It's fun. And then when you open it, there's cool things. Like there's a unicorn, and then there's this unicorn with a sloth riding it. And then there's this unisloth. And it has all these cute pages that you can use in school. Strawberry soda bath salts. I love bath salts because I love taking baths these days. So like I take them early because my parents don't want me to take them late. So I have no more bath salts. You can smell them from the outside. Oh, it smells so good. These smell amazing. Boom. What is this? Crystallize it. Accessory design kit. 15 stickers. Oh, so you can use these beads and you can create like watermelons, hearts, any like fruit, or like you can create stuff and you can put it on all your jean jackets, shoes, your hats, or your like t-shirts. It's really cool. You can make a bracelet, like put on like a beaded bracelet that has like nothing. It's so cool. Ooh, look, see, you can put it on your overalls, make them cuter. That's cool. Let's put in this cute, adorable notebook that you can take naps on. And it has the adorable pages. Oh, I didn't see that page. Super soft and stretchy. Let's put it in. Oh, guys, it's even cuter. Look at that, adorable. So let's put this in my bag, ready for school. Go Shop, the game, so you can play this at recess. Sneak it in my backpack. A cute pencil case. It's adorable. It's so fluffy. Well, not fluffy, like jiggly and it's stretchy. It's so cool. I love this. You can take naps on this too. But you can also take naps on this side because it's furry. And let's put this in to cover up the Go Shop game. Bye!